Okay. So we were till the last video, we have covered this line. यूं नहीं माँ, टांगे ऊपर चढ़ाकर नहीं बैठते, यह खाट नहीं है. Means he's saying, not in this way, mother. We should not sit in such a way, like we should not keep our legs on the chair. यह खाट नहीं है. It's not a खाट. खाट I have explained already in the previous video. माँ ने टांगे नीचे उतार ली and the mother has kept down the legs on the floor. और खुदा के वास्ते नंगे पांव नहीं घूमना and खुदा के वास्ते for God's name, खुदा के वास्ते नंगे पैर नहीं घूमना and don't walk the uh, नंगे पैर means like without slippers. Don't move without slippers. ना ही वह खड़ाऊ पहनकर सामने आना and don't come in front wearing those khadao. Khadao is a kind of wooden slippers which like we previous in very old age people were wearing. It was considered as a pure thing, means the wooden is considered as a pure. So even you have seen some that Ramayana and all, you have seen the Ram Chandra was wearing when he was going to the forest for 14 years. That was that wooden slippers, that is called khadao. So ना ही वह खड़ाऊ पहनकर सामने आना and the person is feeling like if the mother will be wearing that khadao, then it will be like people will think they are not modern, like she belongs to village kind of thing family. इसी दिन तुम्हारे यह खड़ाऊ उठाकर मैं बाहर फेंक दूंगा and one day I will throw your these खड़ाऊ outside. That much he is getting angry on the mother. माँ चुप रही. Mom became silent. कपड़े कौन से पहनोगी माँ and the which cloth you will wear now, he is asking which cloth you will wear. जो है वही पहनूंगी बेटा, जो कहो पहन लो. Whatever I have, जो है whatever I have वही पहनूंगी, that only I will wear. बेटा जो कहो पहन लो, whichever you say I will wear. मिस्टर श्यामनाथ सिगरेट मुंह में रखी, फिर अधखुली आंखों से माँ की ओर देखने लगे and like the Shyamnath, he is keeping the cigarette in the mouth and half opened eyes he's seeing on the mother like this. और माँ के कपड़ों की सोचने लगे and he is thinking like which dress she should wear, like he is thinking about the mother's clothes. श्यामनाथ हर बात में तरकीब चाहते थे. Means in everything he was he needed तरकीब means perfection. घर का सब संचालन उनके अपने हाथ में था. All the things was in his hand only. Means the household everything was in his hand, so he was knowing everything. खूटियां कमरों में कहाँ लगाई जाए? खूटियां means hooks. On the wall hooks are there which we use to hang the clothes. So where should we fix the खूटियां in the room? बिस्तर कहाँ पर बिछे? Where should the बिस्तर means bed. Where should we spread our bed? That mattress we will fold and we will keep. And then in the old ages, means only one tarpai type means cart was there. It was not means in every one house there was not like this. Now we are having 6x6, so one or two tarpais were there. So some elder person and the head of the family was sleeping on the tarpai. Rest of the people were spreading the mattress on the floor and sleeping. And again next day they were folding back the mattress and keeping at some place. So now means खूटियां कमरों में कहाँ लगाई जाए? Where should we fix the खूटियां? बिस्तर कहाँ बिछे? Where should we spread the बिस्तर? किस रंग के पर्दे लगाए जाए? And which colors clothes curtain should be there? श्रीमती कौन सी साड़ी पहने? Which color साड़ी which साड़ी the श्रीमती means his missus should wear? मेज किस साइज की हो? What should be the size of the मेज? श्यामनाथ को चिंता थी what should be the size of meat. So all these kind of small things, who was handling in the house? Shyamnath. So श्यामनाथ को चिंता थी. Now श्यामनाथ was worried कि अगर चीफ का साक्षात माँ से हो गया. साक्षात means face to face. If the face to face meeting will happen for chief with mother, तो कहीं लज्जित ना होना पड़े. Then he is worried now he should not feel shame. माँ को सिर से पांव तक देखते हुए बोले. He saw the mother from top to the bottom and he spoke. तुम सफेद कमीज और सफेद सलवार पहन लो माँ. You wear white top and white bottom. Kameez means the kurta. For the ladies, it is kameez like long kurta. And safed salwar means, already I think you'll be knowing, salwar means salwar suit kind thing. पहन के आओ तो जरा देखो. Okay, you go and wear it and come back. पहन के आओ and jara dekho, let me see little, like that. He that also he want to confirm after wearing that white color kurta salwar, how she will be looking, means he want to confirm everything. He should not feel ashamed in front of the chief. माँ धीरे से उठी और अपनी कोठरी में चली कपड़े पहनने चली गई. Mom slowly she got up and went to wear the clothes. यह माँ का झमेला ही रहेगा. Now he is thinking this the ma will be the problem only. उन्होंने फिर अंग्रेजी में अपनी स्त्री से कहा and he told this thing will be this thing he told to the wife. कोई ढंग की बात हो तो भी कोई कहे. अगर कहीं कोई उल्टी सीधी बात हो गई, चीफ को बुरा लगा तो सारा मजा जाता रहेगा. Okay, now he is telling like mom will be the problem only. कोई ढंग की बात हो तो भी कोई कहे. If it is a correct thing, then okay, no problem. कोई भी कुछ कहे means whatever they say okay. अगर कहीं कोई उल्टी सीधी बात हो गई, if there will be some unwanted talk, chief को बुरा लगा, if the chief will feel bad, तो सारा मजा जाता रहेगा. Then all the fun will go. Means it will be like whatever for what we are keeping this party for. They are keeping the party to impress the chief so that he will get good promotion in his job. So now he is thinking if something wrong will happen, chief will feel bad and all the fun will go. Like that he is thinking. माँ सफेद कमीज और सलवार पहनकर बाहर निकली. Mom came out wearing the सफेद कमीज and सफेद सलवार. छोटा सा कद, कद means height, small height, सफेद कपड़ों में लिपटा and wearing the white clothes. छोटा सा सूखा हुआ शरीर and the small सूखा means dried body, means there is only the bones are there on the body, there is not fat is not there on the body. धुंधली आंखें means eyes also that eyesight is also weak. So धुंधली means not clear eyes. केवल सिर के आधे झड़े हुए बाल पल्ले की ओट में छिप पाए थे. Okay, so only the half झड़े हुए बाल means the hair fall, that hair will fall. केवल सिर के आधे झड़े हुए बाल पल्ले की ओट में छिप पाए थे. Half of the hairs are hair fall happened for him, for her. And सिर के आधे पल्ले की ओट में, and half of the whichever hairs are left on the head, out of that also half only are hidden in the pallu. Pallu means the dupatta which she was having on the head. पहले से कुछ ही कम कुरूप नजर आ रही थी. कुरूप means ugly. She was very lesser ugly. She was visible, means before she was more ugly. After doing this much, means after changing the dress, she was not looking beautiful. She was looking little less ugly. Before it was more ugly, now it is less ugly, means still it is ugly only. Like that the writer want to say. चलो ठीक है, कोई चूड़ियां वूड़ियां पहन लो, हो तो वह भी पहन लो, कोई हर्ज नहीं. Now he is telling let is okay, it's okay. कोई चूड़ियां वूड़ियां हो तो वह भी पहन लो. If you have some bangle that also you wear, कोई हर्ज नहीं, means there is no, it's not a big matter. You can wear the bangles also. चूड़ियां कहाँ से लाऊं बेटा? From where I should get the bangles? तुम तो जानते हो, you know, सब जेवर तुम्हारी पढ़ाई में बिक गए. All the जेवर means jewelry. All the jewelry is sold in your studies. यह वाक्य श्यामनाथ को तीर की तरह लगा. This sentence, like all the जेवर sold in your study, this sentence was like a arrow. It was so much hurted for him. तिनक बोले, he तिनक means angrily he told, यह कौन सा राग छेड़ दिया? Rag means, actually rag means it's a music, but here it is the meaning is which topic you have started now. माँ सीधा कह दो नहीं है जेवर, बस directly you can say no, I don't have jewelry, that's it. इससे पढ़ाई बढ़ाई का क्या ताल्लुक है? What is the ताल्लुक means connection. So what is the connection of the studies from this sentence? जो जेवर बिका तो कुछ बनकर ही आया हूँ. Whichever the jewelry is sold, कुछ बनकर ही आया. Something I became only. निरा लडूरा तो नहीं लौट आया. I have not come back. Ladura means the waste fellow. Those the person who are not able to, those who are not success in the life, like those kind of people, we say Nadura. So he is telling, if your jewelry is sold, something I became in the life. कुछ बनकर ही आया हूँ means something I have became I'm at some position in the life. I am not the Nidura. I did not come back Nidura. जितना दिया था उससे दुगना ले लेना. Now, how much you gave, how much jewelry you gave, dugna means double. Take the double from that. Later on, you can take double of that. Like that, he is just trying to bypass that topic. मेरी जब जीभ जल जाए, बेटा तुमसे जेवर लूंगी. My tongue should burn. She is telling now, she is realizing her mistake and she is telling, my tongue should burn. बेटा तुमसे जेवर लूंगी. I will take the jewelry from you. मेरे मुंह से यूं ही निकल गया. These words just came out simply from my mouth. जो होते तो लाख बार पहनती. If I will be having jewelry, so I would have wear it many times. Means lakhs of time I would have wear. But what she want to say here, I just triggered this study matter simply just the simply because you asked about the jewelry. So this topic from my mouth simply it came out like all the jewelry is sold in your study. I just don't want any jewelry back from you. So if you give jewelry means I told those sentence so that for that my tongue should burn. That much guilty she is feeling. If I'll be having jewelry, I would have wore it lakhs of time. Okay, so till now we have covered till here. Rest story I will cover in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment. Okay, bye bye.